We do a lot of work for storm restoration, and this was a community that had been impacted last year during a tornado, but our service to that community didn't end once we got the lights back on. We were able to go back in and help with this seedling giveaway to provide more tree canopy in the community.
Trees provide benefits to mental health. They provide shade, they provide places for children to play, they bring wildlife closer to where people live. Places like Cottonwood that had storms or tornado damage, it's a good way for the arborist to prescribe the right tree to put in the right place so that they can revegetate those areas as soon as possible.
January the 9th, 2024, we had a bad tornado that took our fire station, senior citizens building, old town hall down, and we're still trying to recover from that.
You know, not only was our electrical infrastructure damaged that day, but also the ecosystem here was devastated by the tornado. You know, not only do we strive to provide the community that we serve with reliable electric service, we also want to be good corporate citizens and good community partners, and today is just one way we hope we can do that.
What we decided to do was, in the background, we're going to plant some trees in front of the school that they're going to bring us in April, and we're going to install those in front of the flower beds that we planted several months ago in front of our campus, and we're also going to plant some of the ones that you brought today on our farm. This will help teach them how to plant the trees, the depth at which the trees need to be planted. The skills they can carry on in life when they have their own yard. They'll know how to plant the trees and the shrubs in the ground, and they'll know things that might benefit them when they have their own land.